When working in GarageBand, you really need to understand regions. Regions are your audio files within the track's area. It is what you see when you record. It can be Apple loops or audio loops. And it's basically any type of audio file that you bring into GarageBand. Now, the audio regions can be audio recordings, such as a microphone or a live instrument, and Apple loops. Apple loops and audio recordings shown as audio regions are in blue. MIDI regions are green. Imported audio files are orange. And drummer regions are yellow. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. We will begin by closing the library by clicking the library button at the top left-hand side. And let's go ahead to the right-hand side and open up the Apple Loops browser. Here you can see different types of Apple Loops, and you can see the blue and the green automatically showing you what type of region these are. So if I drag over the Acoustics Drum 1, the track comes in as blue, showing that this is an audio region. So it represents a live audio recording, even though it's an Apple loop and can be repeated. If I drag over 70s Ballad Drums 1, you can see that this region is green because it is a MIDI region, and you can also see the MIDI notes represented by squares and little boxes here. Imported audio files are shown in orange to denote that they are imported files and you know which ones you're working with. To show you this, I'm going to go ahead and unmaximize the GarageBand window and click on Finder. When this opens, I can scroll down and click on Desktop here. And you can see this MP3 file that I have. I can just click and drag this into the workspace, and you can see it being added. And when I release, you can see it's an orange audio file. Let's go ahead and re-maximize this. It shows you the name and the file format. And this is also an audio recording, which is actually made from an Apple loop. But you can see that it's an audio recording based on its waveform. Finally, our drummer regions. So let's go ahead and create a drum track. We'll click on the plus sign at the top here. And we'll click Drummer, Create. And when that file comes in, let me go ahead and close everything here so you can see this a little better. That file comes in as yellow. Just delete this. There we go. Okay, so now you can see all the different types of regions that there are. We've got the blue for audio recordings, green for MIDI, orange for imported audio, and yellow for drummer tracks.